Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing Form TM28. Specifically, the title of that form is Form for Aliens to Notify Their Change of Address or Their Stay in the Province for Over 24 Hours. I've noticed in certain social media circles there's some misunderstanding about the actual rules with respect to this, but basically there are rules with respect to where a foreigner not where a foreigner can stay, but rules with respect to notification of stay if a foreigner is going to remain in one place in the kingdom for over 24 hours. Now, in the past, this was always the law, but apparently, sort of due to my personal opinion is, due to just the situation on the ground, for lack of a better term, it was not really possible to fully implement this program, on a day-to-day basis, because that would require things like guest houses to make fairly large filings with respect to the guests in their houses on a nearly daily basis in some cases. Now, that is probably, in fact, that is what the immigration authorities want, but I know as a practical matter that may or may not be happening at any given geographic area in the kingdom, or with respect to any given single individual within the kingdom. The thing to take away from this video is, first of all, this is the form, but also they're taking measures now to deal with these matters online. These measures where at one time it was kind of operating in fits and starts and it wasn't really working that well. It's my understanding that as of the time of this video, the online system is coming to a point where it's very usable, and as a practical matter, it can be utilized on a day-to-day basis with much more ease than it could be in the past. So that leads me to the conclusion that probably in the relatively near future, you're actually going to see notifications like these made fairly frequently, and the foreigner needs to go ahead. Foreigner does have a certain part to play in all of this, as they have to make notifications where necessary, especially in residential matters. Again, guest houses, commercial hotels and things, they generally have their own system for dealing with this, but if someone just goes and stays, sort of in a friend's house or something like that, it may be required that you go ahead and you go ahead and file TM28 because Thai law probably requires that a non-immigrant in the kingdom go ahead and do so.